Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out a brand new budget gimbal for smartphones, the Zhiyun Cinepeer CQ5 combo. If you're into vlogging, content creation, or just want battery smooth smartphone videos, this little guy might just surprise you. But before we start, quick shout out to my everyday carry gear, the Puncube Mech Wallet, my favorite smart minimalist wallet, the LensGo Smoke Go mini fog machine that's perfect for creative shots, and the BeenTo App, which helps me track and share all my amazing places I've been. Check them out, links are in the description. So, inside the box we get the CQ5 stabilizer itself, a mini tripod stand, a USB-C charging cable, and of course a manual and paperwork. The design is compact and lightweight, perfect for travel and everyday vlogging. You got a nice grip, control joystick, and dedicated buttons for mode switching. It also has a phone clamp with a secure lock, so your phone stays in the place while moving. And since this is a combo edition, we also get the detachable tripod stand, super useful for time-lapse, stable shots, and even just sitting down while you talk to the camera. The CQ5 support multiple shooting modes, pan follow for smooth left and right pans, lock mode to keep your phone fixed on one subject, follow mode for dynamic movement, and of course selfie mode with just a click. It's all comes with the Zhiyun app support, where you can access smart tracking, time-lapse, and creative modes. Here's a quick stabilization test. You can immediately see the difference. Walking shots look cinematic, pans are smooth, and even jogging footage stays stable. For such a lightweight stabilizer, it handles smartphone stabilization surprisingly well. Battery life is another strong point. Depends on your shooting style, and since it's charged via USB-C, you can easily top it up with power bank while on the go. The best part? The price. The Zhiyun Cinepeer CQ5 comes at around 90 to 120 US dollar, depending on where you buy it. For the performance and features, it's honestly a solid deal for beginners and mobile content creators. So, is the Zhiyun Cinepeer CQ5 combo worth it? If you want affordable, reliable smartphone stabilization, this is definitely a great entry-level gimbal. It's lightweight, easy to use, and packed with enough features to step up your vlogging game. I'd say this is a strong option for creators on a budget who still want professional-looking footage. That's my unboxing and review of the Zhiyun CQ5 Cinepeer Stabilizer. What do you think? Would you grab this for your smartphone setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And again, don't forget to check out my favorite tools, the Puncube Mech Wallet, the LensGo Smoke Go, and the BeenTo App. link down below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next gear review. See you in the next one.
If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.